Today we're walking through the process of installing Decorkrete Microcement on a concrete floor. This system creates a beautiful, seamless finish that's durable and surprisingly manageable for DIYers and contractors alike. Preparation is key. Before you start, your concrete surface needs to be clean, dry and stable. Sand down any rough spots, fill cracks larger than ½ inch with mortar and remove any oils, grease or dirt. We used TSP degreaser for a thorough clean. The surface must be completely dry before moving forward. Waterproofing with Watstop. In our case, we had moisture concerns from beneath the concrete slab, so we applied Watstop as our primer at 2 kilograms per square metre. Here's how. Mix the 3 components. Start with component A, add component C, then component B. Add 10 to 20% water for trowel application. Important note: Watstop has only a 2-hour pot life, and don't close the container. It creates heat as it cures. Apply your first coat with a trowel, making sure it penetrates completely. Wait 24 to 48 hours, then apply your second coat to reach that full 2 kilogram per square metre coverage. Timing matters here. You need to apply Decorkrete within 48 hours or the Watstop will be too cured for proper adhesion. Now for the fun part. Mix your Decorkrete by adding it gradually to water, about 25 to 30% water, until you get a smooth cake batter consistency. Add your colour tint during mixing. Here's a key tip. Only mix what you can use in 20 minutes, especially when you're starting out. Apply your first coat with a stainless steel trowel, using short, random motions rather than long sweeps. Don't stress about perfection. Those imperfections give microcement its character. Use the visible grains in the mix as your guide to keep an even thickness of about 1 millimetre. Let this cure for at least 6 hours. Apply your second coat the same way, then let it cure for a full 24 hours. Once dry, sand it with 80 to 120 grit sandpaper and remove all the dust. But don't use water for this step. Using D20 in one layer can help absorb dust while leaving the surface unstained. Sealing with Aquafloor Eco. The final protection comes from Aquafloor Eco, applied in 3 coats. Mix components A and B thoroughly. You've got about 2 hours of working time. Dilute your first coat with 30% water and apply it with a hand sprayer, then back roll with a foam roller in a crosshatch pattern. Wait 2 hours between coats and apply the second and third coats undiluted. The floor will be walkable in 24 hours, but keep water and cleaning products off it for 5 to 7 days while it fully cures. Final thoughts. Work in temperatures between 5 and 35 degrees Celsius. Keep humidity below 70% and always wear your safety gear. If you're new to trowel work, practice on a spare board first. You'll get the hang of it quickly. The result? A stunning, durable microcement floor that you installed yourself. It's a project that takes patience, but the payoff is absolutely worth it.